People aged above 70 years can now reap the benefits of the world's largest health insurance scheme by registering themselves on the Ayushman Bharat portal. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on Wednesday approved health coverage to all senior citizens aged 70 and above, irrespective of their income, under the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This will benefit approximately 4.5 crore families and 6 crore senior citizens with rupees 5 lakh free health insurance cover. All senior citizens of age 70 and above, irrespective of their socio-economic status, would be eligible to avail the benefits of Ayushman Bharat, and the scheme is set to be operational within a week. The move will significantly benefit women, as government data shows more than half of individuals aged 70 and above are women, which is almost 60%, and 54% of these women are widows. The government has decided to bring senior citizens into the ambit of the scheme because of the higher probability of 70 plus age group people going to the hospital than the rest of the population. Also, people who fall in this age group cannot easily avail the benefits of private health insurance because it is not available, and in cases they are available, the insurance premiums are higher. In fact, to help elderly people, the government is working towards adding more packages that exclusively tend to elderly care. Ayushman Bharat scheme was introduced in 2018 and it is claimed to be the world's largest publicly funded health insurance scheme designed to provide universal health coverage, particularly for rural and vulnerable populations. To access the benefits of this health insurance scheme, you must register through the official website using your Aadhaar card. The website also includes a face authentication feature with a specific link provided for senior citizens. Once your eKYC is done, the card will be operational for use immediately. Also, the government has decided that those already having an Ayushman card will need to reapply for a new card and complete their eKYC. Those having private insurance and ESIC beneficiaries can also apply for the scheme. The Ayushman Bharat scheme provides comprehensive coverage for various healthcare expenses, including medical examinations, treatments, and consultations. It also takes care of pre-hospitalization care up to 3 days before admission. Expenses on medicines, admission and treatment charges for ICU and non-ICU, blood and other diagnostic tests, medical implants in some cases, and charges for stay and meals during hospitalization. It also takes care of the complications that can occur during treatment and post-hospitalization follow-up care for up to 15 days after discharge.